They're cabinets. Like, that's probably the number one thing people go to when they want to get a kitchen renovation. What I like to do first is measure the perimeter base cabinets. I am going to start at the end of this cabinet. So for this stretch of cabinetry, I'm going to start there at the end and go all the way out, and I am at 137 inches. This is our sink wall base cabinets. I'm at 137 inches. So that's pretty simple. You just go down to the edge, measure all the way to the wall. We'll go from the edge of that wall into the refrigerator. I'm at 96.5 inches. So that's how much I have for that wall. A typical refrigerator is gonna be 36 inches. So I know I'm gonna have 36 inches over to this wall.